So hello everyone. So let's check if live is live is start working well or not. So now it work well. So let's deploy the Laravel application. The sound is good. So let's check live is start working well or not. So now, so first, hello everyone, I'm Gio. So this is my channel of YouTube. I just start making streaming live and video about how we can build the applications, how we can fix bug on real project, and also I want to share some projects, some tips and trick. So also make challenge on the production project. So today I want to make a video about or live about how to deploy Laravel web application on AWS. So my link is on this channel, so you can follow me on LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn profile, also my GitHub, and I will so this is my GitHub account. I will add on the message. So follow me on this for latest things. So this is my GitHub account, and this is my Twitter. So paste here Twitter account. So first let's get started. I want to select a project from my repo on my GitHub account. So you can here start why the internet is slow. I don't know. So let's check the services of EC2. So I want to filter my project PHP. So this is all the So after you open the account on AWS, you can access the first year's free trial. Uh, Popular services like EC2, Create VPC, it's free, create a packet of media S3, also the ARM model, so identify access management. So this all the services of AWS that you can access for free for the first years. So here we have VPC, it's like your private network on cloud, virtual private cloud. This is for the billing and cost management. So for example, if you use EC2 more than 48 hours, so you can check the billing or the RDC, because some services you should to pay. So let's see. So I want to make this project live on AWS. So I want to upload and make work on AWS. So this project is it was built by Laravel and MySQL, I think. So it's a really simple project. You can start. So let's get started. So first I want to create my virtual private cloud. So this virtual private cloud called VPC, it's like your virtual network on the cloud. So let's go to VPC and here create new one. So I want to choose just only VPC. Name I want to, so for example, Laravel VPC. So I want to CI dial to specify the range of my IP addresses. So I will make 10, 0, 0, 0, 16. I keep all this as default. So let's create our VPC. Now it created successfully. After I want to make inside this VPC subnetwork. So we want just need one subnetwork. It will be public for EC2 that include the EC2 inside this public network to be accessed from anywhere, from anyone use the internet. So we don't need the private because I already use just for MySQL database, not any RDS. So let's create subnet. So this subnet, it will related with the VPC that just created. So I will make my public name because this VPC is public. So let's name public. Sorry, this subnetwork is public. So we name it public subnetwork. So availability zone. Let just choose first. You can choose anyone, but for me, I just choose United States. Now, and I want to specify the range IP for this subnetwork. So let's make 0, 1, 0. So I want to specify the range of IP for this subnetwork. For the public subnetwork, the value tags. So using this, so let's create this public subnetwork. After we created public subnetwork that will related or we include the EC2 that can be our application connect with the internet, let's go to the internet gateway. So the internet gateway, so without this internet gateway, your application can't accessible by the internet. So no one can access your application. So we want to create the internet gateway. So let's name it internet gateway Laravel. So you can name any name you want, but for me, I just this is just not a real project. So just to show you how you can deploy your Laravel application on the AWS cloud provider. Also, the value, not keep it. Now create the internet gateway. The route table. So the route table that orient the traffic of your website where we go. For example, EC2 or subnetwork if you private subnetwork for the MySQL or any database if you want to use database, because for the database we must make it private network or subnetwork, so there is no one can access the database. But for the backend or your web server, for example Laravel or any Express.js should be public, that can access from anyone use the internet. So the route table, I want to create a new, so route table Laravel. So I want to create VPC, so I want to attach to the VPC route table Laravel. So let's keep it like this. So we internet gateway, I want to here the status is detach, so I want to attach to the VPC. And also the route table, so I want to associate to this public subnetwork. Now we go, so this is my VPC. We have public subnetwork. The internet gateway is attached to the VPC. The route table where is associated to the subnetwork. Now we go to the EC2 to create our compute or server that handle the back end of your application. So let's go to EC2 and create. So it's like a virtual computer contain the CPU and RAM and disk that host or can upload your project. So let's go to create a new instance. So launch instance. Now let's create our instance. For example, name Laravel EC2. I want to use Amazon Linux as an operating system. Here I want to choose just T2.nano for the type of instance. I want to create a new KP because we want to access the EC2 from our terminal using the SSH, and also we want to open the role, the port, of the SSH enable. That I think the port is 22. So we want to create a new page. So let's call the Laravel. Okay. So let's keep it .pm. So this is the key you should to make in a directory that you remember. So for our example is, I think, on the download directory. So now we want to allow the SSH because we want to access the server from anywhere. Also allow the HTTPS from when we want to make a website using the SSH certification or the hypertext transfer protocol secure. Also for the time of development locally, so you can allow the HTTP with the port 80. So we keep this all as default and we want to launch our instance. Now let's view and see our instance. So Laravel EC2 name, the status is running. So key of the name is Laravel K Linux. Now let's see the IP public of this EC2. So public is not does not show. So we want to go to the network and attach network interface. So we want to allow the our EC2 to connect with the VPC. So let's keep it. And where is public IP? PC Laravel, but why?